Hi guys, this is Natalie from Wiplabs.com, your favorite online shop for crowdfunded, innovative tech products. Today, we are going to do an unboxing of the Yeelight Candela. So, the Yeelight is an ambiance lamp that has a brightness adjustment and has smart controls you can sync up with an app on your Android or iPhone device. Has Bluetooth connectivity and has a battery, so it's very portable. So it comes in this nice box, and we are gonna open it. Knife. It's the best feeling. So it comes with this little manual. This down, just pulling it out. And just using this, pulling this out, and there is the device with some soft plastic on it, and voila. Ooh. So it has a very interesting sort of silverish but also gold color, and it looks really nice. Looks very modern, nice glass, very good quality. Little logo in the front. There's a button here to turn it on. There you go. I'm not sure if you can see it well in these lights, but it has a nice yellow sort of candle colored glow. And if you turn it at the base, the light will go dimmer or higher. And what I'm doing right now is I'm just turning the top part of the device to make the light brighter or less bright. Like I said, there's an app that goes with this, so you can use the app actually to just, from far away. It connects via Bluetooth, and you can actually adjust the light based on the app. You can also connect them with one another so that you can have several different Yeelight Candelas in one room, and you can control them all with the same app. So that's pretty cool. So there you go. That is the Yeelight Candela. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you have one, if you supported it on Kickstarter. Love to hear your comments in the comment section below. My name's Natalie, and I can't wait to see you on the shop at Wiplabs.com.